Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix the First Descendant not launching, not starting, or not opening. To address the issue, start by closing or uninstalling any related apps like DS4 Windows. Unplug all controllers, racing wheels, or similar peripherals, and check if the problem persists. Next, disable overlays from all applications. For instance, turn off the overlay for Discord, GeForce Experience, and any other apps that use overlays. Then, adjust the graphics settings. Copy the path of the First Descendant folder. Open the search bar, then type graphics settings and select it. Under Desktop Apps, click Browse, paste the First Descendant path and press Enter. Choose the First Descendant executable file. Click Options and set it to High Performance and disable optimization for windowed games. Proceed to add exclusions by going to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, select Manage Settings, then add or remove exclusions. Click Add an exclusion. Choose Folder, paste the paths, and confirm by selecting Add. Adjust the Windows Defender Firewall setting by going to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then change settings, and allow another app. Browse for the First Descendant executable and add it. Do the same for the M1 Binaries Win64 executable. Clear the Steam cache by opening Steam. Click on the Steam icon in the top left corner, selecting Settings, going Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Restart Steam after clearing the cache. Verify the game files by right-clicking on First Descendant in your Steam library, selecting Properties, then going to Local Files, and clicking Verifying Integrity of Game Files. Now, to delete local cache files, press Run in the search bar. Type %local app data, then %, and press Enter. Find and delete the M1 folder. This folder contains cache files and will not affect your game. Update Windows and GPU drivers by going to Settings, then Update and Security, and check for updates. Install any available updates. Also, update your GPU drivers if necessary. Finally, adjust the launch options in Steam by going to First Descendant's Properties, clicking Set Launch Options, then type -DX12, and launching the game. If it doesn't work, try -DX11 instead. If these steps help resolve your issue, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thank you!